Good afternoon, friends. This is Bharat Gyani from Fundamental Research. We have been discussing about the quarter three expectations from the automotive sector. Now, if we see the volumes in the automotive sector have been very robust in Q3. That is because of the festive season, which occurred in October and November 2012, which boosted the volumes on the YOY basis. So, as far as the expectations of the auto sector are concerned, our auto sector universe, excluding Tata Motors, is expected to post a robust growth of 15% YOY. Barring a few companies like Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge and FAG Bearings, the auto sector is, most of the companies in the auto sector are expected to post a robust YOY growth in the earnings. Now, if we see in the OEM space, Maruti and M&M are expected to outperform the rest. This is because Maruti, if we see, the volumes have been very good post the after the strike at the Manesar got over, and we have seen an increase in the diesel volumes. Also, M&M on the back of strong growth in the utility vehicle space is seeing a good traction in the volumes. As far as the auto ancillary space is concerned, we expect Apollo Tyres and Exide Industries to perform to show a robust growth. Apollo Tyres, on the back of falling of natural rubber prices, is expected to gain the most. Also, Exide, if we see, there has been an improvement in the automotive replacement batteries, which is a high margin business. So we expect Apollo Tyres and Exide Industries to perform in the auto ancillary space. Now, on the disappointment side, we expect Ashok Leyland to disappoint the most in the OEM space. This is because of the steep fall in the MHCV volumes, which have declined by double digits. So we expect Ashok Leyland to post a loss in the OEM segment. On the ancillary side, we expect Bharat Forge to disappoint the most. This is because of the slowdown in the global volumes and the domestic market. Now, what we are seeing going forward is that in post the end of the festive season, December 2012 saw a decline in the volumes for the automotive OEMs. So we expect Q4 13 the volumes to remain subdued in Q4 13 after the end of the festive season. But going ahead, we expect a gradual recovery in the automotive volumes in FY14 on back of improved macros and softening of the interest rates. So we expect a gradual recovery in the automotive segment. In the structural upturn, the companies which are able to maintain their market share will be the most beneficiaries in an upswing. So we expect M&M and Maruti to outperform in the automotive space. Thank you.